Good morning, everybody. This is, I think today is Tuesday. It's 7/26, 2022, and I just wanted to do a quick video on how to load your options chain quickly onto your active trader. So I was sitting here about to set up my contracts for this morning and thought that I would do a quick video. So up here, you have this little drop down menu. You have all recent positions, options, indices, etc. And here you want to type in your ticker. If you're trading NEO today, you would just type in NEO, and then it will bring forth all your calls and all your puts. It's going to be set to default as 4, and you can change that to 14 if you want to see more out of the money contracts. You can also change the week. So this is this week's ending. If you want to trade next week, you would just go scroll down and find the next week. I hope that this is helpful. And this is how I set up every morning. And this is how I interchangeably switch sides if I'm scalping from calls to puts every day quickly when I'm trading the Qs. So I hope this was helpful. Have a great day. Bye.